In this third, 2 minutes trick video, we will see how to create a private, password-protected folder. Please consider subscribing our channel if you haven't done yet. Search for Notepad and run it as administrator. Get this code script. Code script file is available in description. This is the password for your private folder. You can keep it whatever you want. Copy the whole code script and paste it in Notepad. Now go to File and click on Save As. Name the file and put .bat at the end of file name as file extension. Now, here is the Windows batch file we have just created. Double-click to open it. Put the password and hit enter. Here is your private, password-protected folder. Put your data in. Just double-click on the batch file. Type Y, and hit enter key to lock it again.